Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video we are doing something a little bit different. We are unboxing the Pro Wrestling Crate for April. Exciting. I haven't gotten this in a long time, but my husband's birthday was April 8th and I decided that I would get both him and me the Wrestling Crate for the month, and his only just arrived today. Mine arrived a week ago. Let me also say we live in Northwest Indiana, so we live right by pro wrestling tees basically, but you can't pick the crates up. So you have to get them shipped, and they get sent down through DHL. I think it's DHL, but it goes to Kentucky first. They go to Kentucky, then they come to me in Northwest Indiana. So anyways, I've been sitting on mine for about a week, like I said, waiting to unbox it so that my husband would get his. But yes, Pro Wrestling Crate. Wrestling items, I'm so excited. I already know what's in it because they basically tell you on the website. I believe this is $35. I will put it somewhere down there, letting you know how much it costs. But, sneak peek, okay. So let us see what we got here. You do get a little information card. It doesn't list prices or anything. And it tells you the items in which crates, because they have, I guess they have different levels of crates now, so that's cool. I think back when we got it, there was just like one crate, and it was just one tier, and that was it. But this is the regular crate. Oh, okay, so it's $29.95 a month. Cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab what's on top first, and this is a Young Bucks t-shirt. It is so cute. I love it. I love it so much. So super retro Young Bucks t-shirt. Unfortunately you can't, I don't think you can get in women's sizes. I think it's just unisex. But the next one we have here, this is the Pay Up Money Inc. t-shirt. Super cute. I love it. I haven't gotten any wrestling stuff in a while. Although I'm getting a new belt. Okay, and then we are going to grab this pin that I got. This is the Motor City Machine Guns. And then we have a Micro Brawlers. This is Tangaloa. These are just cute little guys. I don't think I'm going to take them out anymore. I think we have a few, but like I actually took them out of the packaging. I'm going to start leaving them in the packaging. I don't know if I'm going to continue to get this for many months, but I'm going to let it go at least next month. We'll see what happens. Okay, and then we have a bottle opener. This is the Lucha Brothers. It's just black and silver. Nothing special, but heck, I'll put that in my work grip for the train. Very cute, very cute. Okay, the next thing we have here, this is, oh, Wrestling Network. I forgot you get DVDs with this, which I imagine they will stop giving these out eventually, because I don't even know if we have a working DVD player. But this is Before the Big Leagues Tag Team Edition. So we got Best Friends, and would you call them LAX right here? I don't know. They list them as Santana and Ortiz. But there we go. Okay. And then I got a poster. My husband ended up getting the sticker for this. I don't know. I'm looking to see if it has... No, mine just says Dream Match poster. But yeah, my husband got a sticker of this. So this is the Gorillas of Destiny versus Faces of Fear. Ooh, can I get the whole thing in? I think so. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if I'll have that up anywhere, but that's just neat to get. Okay, and then the last thing, they always send you an autographed photo. And in this one we have FTR. I should give this to my friend Christine, although I'm gonna guess she probably already has something autographed, but I don't really do anything with the autographed stuff. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it in its little envelope and we'll go from there. But yeah, so this was cool. I mean, getting 2 t-shirts is worth it, basically, if you say they're $15 each. And then you get all the rest of this stuff as a little bonus. Like I said, not too interested in the DVD, but again, we have all streaming services. But yeah, so that's cool. That's cool. So anything interesting? Oh, next month's crate. Okay, so this gives you information for next month. Next month's crate features Loose Cannon, Brian Pillman, The Dark Order. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to get it. Love my Dark Order. Lita, Heath Slater, Iron Sheik, Jake the Snake Roberts, Irwin, Shyster, and a special item for Pro Wrestling Tees. Cool. Okie dokie. Well, I'm happy. I'm happy. Cool. 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 Let's see. So if you got the Cheap Heat box, you would have gotten the DVD, you would have gotten the FTR signed 8x10, and you would have gotten the lapel pin and the poster. If you got the mid-card, you would have gotten the Young Bucks t-shirt and the FTR signed autograph. If you got the tag team box, you would have gotten the Young Bucks t-shirt, you would have gotten the Pay Up Money Inc. t-shirt, and that's it, okay? And then, of course, with my crate, I got all of these items listed here. So, very cool. I really like the Young Bucks shirt. It's super cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Very cute. Very cute. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will next month have the next Pro Wrestling Crate featured here on my channel. So let me know what you thought of these items down below, and I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.